baby. Yes, sir, baby.
Got him.
Hey, good shooting,
Awesome.
bud.
Thanks, guys.
Dude, pretty work, Ryan.
Like to say gun stuff.
Zeke.
Hey, man, good work, Will. What time is it?
6:57.
Thank you, Lord.
I love it. Yeah,
Thank you,
beautiful
Lord.
morning. Doesn't get any better than that.
I love that smell.
Dude, that smells the best. Oh, I need to get my hands on him. A nice bird.
Man, he's
Beautiful
a stud.
bird.
Nice bird.
Beautiful bird.
He's a stud, dude.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you, Lord. Absolutely awesome. What a bird, man.
That's what it's about right there, baby.
I'm getting better than that for a first bird, huh?
First bird.
Getting no better than that, but
First
that's
bird.
a beautiful bird.
I wish I ate. That one's a little longer.
Yeah, he's
That was like
starting
inch
to
and a
hook
quarter.
on it.
Nice thick beard.
He's impressive.
Great bird.
What, 9-inch beard?
Good thick
Hey.
bird.
Thanks, Zeke.
Look at the beard. That's a beautiful beard. Everything, man. Just an awesome bird. Just an awesome bird.
Awesome hunt. So
They're
last
on
night,
fire.
Ryan came to this field and heard 3. Put this bird to bed. This bird went in this far corner and roosted. He slipped out. We were going to go to a different spot this morning, but called an audible and decided to come back here because, like I said, he roosted these birds. And it's overcast, it's windy, not a good morning. But they were close and they were on fire this morning. He popped out right in the corner of that field, saw the decoys, and it didn't take too long. So, textbook.
Textbook
What did you
is
say?
right.
658?
657.
657.
657.
Awesome hunt.